at?
Knock it.
Oh, you're stressing me. This work is not even...
Open the alternator. Open door. Why the alternator now?
Oh my God.
Why the battery, madam? Madam, why the battery? Concentrate and allow me to focus on my this thing. Don't see the problem. Don't concentrate. Why would you see the problem? Are you mechanic? Madam, just concentrate. Don't touch anything there again. I can feel the panel. The panel is well placed in order. Even the brake pad is well padded. Just do what you are doing, okay? Hey, don't touch anything, madam. Madam, are you okay? Can you feel the brake pad? Madam, don't touch anything there again, yeah?
Okay, I hear you.
I can feel the brake pad. Are you okay?
Yes, I'm fine. I'm okay.
Hey, the padded is okay.
Okay, no problem. Okay, do what you have to do, okay?
I'm on it. Are you okay? Can you feel the brake? Madam?
Yes, I see.
Madam? Hey, Jesus. Madam? Wait, Aga!
Why are you messing on me? What's this? Why are you messing me up?
Why won't I mess you up? He's already messing you up, then I came and picked you up. When you came messing you up, you came here, you die. Don't you know you're the woman you're supposed to comport yourself?
Oga, and your mommy looking.
And you don't come in there. Oh, CWO, you didn't come, you know, here, I told Pamoto Casagero. You were asked to repair a car that's spoiled. The radiator is so well placed. Your mama is bapu. Oh, I see your drawers, everything. Come on, God, I didn't want my hack again.
Wait. What is going on?
Can you just hear this man?
I'm trying to understand what
Is it possible? I'm trying to fix your car and you relate to the old man, you really.
Can you just stop shouting? You said you were licking your tongue, and why were you doing that?
If I gotta left him, you put to a line here just born for him. In your licking me now, Jenny leaking.
Wait. Were you peeping me?
Madam, I was not fixing. I was trying to fix the brake.
You were looking under my thighs?
I don't wear package. I was trying to fix the brake.
What kind of useless mechanic are you? You were looking under my thighs. Okay, that's why you were telling me, is the radiator working? You need to open it wide. You must be a foolish man, idiot.
You need to open it where you open. Every woman should be careful. When you wear something like this, you need to cover yourself very well. All these kind of people, they use eyes or tattoo. Go and check yourself, because from what I'm seeing, you must have missed your period. Only a mechanic.
Where do you go?
Get out from here! I'm not paying you any time.
Don't pay me, madam. Okay, I'm not going to throw a matter now. I will go. Can I go this one?
When I go office, you got you. I'm going to hear what happened. You will your committee. Got your march. If you push me,
go. This piece one piece for me. Mama,
at the teenage, Mamma, what can you go up me peace for somebody? You go up me somebody, this boy. Oh, carry me down. That's why they off today. We are going to see mango leak. No be this boy, be this sugar boy. No be this sugar mommy baby boy, be this one. This man again. Why is there anywhere I go to see this man? What kind of nonsense is this? Like, I'm not here. When you walk, why bagger Jen? As we are going, anything don't listen to him. Don't. He's losing this another person's business. Yeah? Don't listen to me anything I say. Let's go. Just keep your face. And why are you lady? Hey. Who said that? You again?
You again? What is it? Again? Can be your problem? From your working place to this place, what is it? Eh?
You know what it is. You know what it is. It is what it is. It is what it is. So you know exactly what it is. Don't pretend as if
I don't know what you are saying.
You should know.
I don't know.
You should know, Oga. You should know. Let me ask you. What are you doing in a lonely road at this ugly hour?
I don't have any explanation of what I am doing with my life.
No, you should.
Oh, when you buy Saragi?
You buy me.
Oh, when you buy Saragi, they make with my own life. It's not your business.
You buy a sugar boy.
Yes.
Tahiga wants her boy.
Okay.
What is this small child doing behind?
It's not your business. Or when you buy Saragi on the men azum.
I want to know what this little child is doing behind you.
Yeah, I picked her from the gutter. I want to wash her. Yes.
Oh, you will car wash.
Oh, yeah, I'm neighbor now.
Gutter picker. You pick on the gutter. You want to wash her. Come out of him. Come out of that place. Hey, I'm talking to you. What are you doing there? Speak louder. Let me hear you.
He says he's going to make me a star.
He's going to make you what?
A star.
A star.
In the video.
You want to put you in the video?
Yes.
To make you a star?
Yes.
Hey! Hey! Star maker. Star, Madam Star maker. You want to make her a star?
Yes.
Star maker.
Yes.
Star Hot promotion in UK. You won't Chris on the month. You would the light.
It's not your business. I'm into modeling. I am into modeling and I pick people and make them model.
You model with mothers, you model with children. This, how old are you, my dear? You are not up to 13 years, I am sure. How old are you?
I'm
14 years.
Yes.
And you want to become a star. Have you finished secondary school? No. You are still in secondary school. And you're already hungry to become a star. This is make a star. Is he a star? This person that promised to make you a star, ask yourself, is he a star? You see why you people are brainless? Nothing there for you in brain. Small thing, women, they go deceive you. The person that promised you becoming a star, is he a star? That is the number one question you're supposed to ask yourself. Is that person a star?
It is not your business.
It is my business.
It is not your business, Oga. I must not be a star to make someone a star. Yes, I have the way. I'm against a member to star. I must not be a star to make someone a star.
So which star are you now?
Oba Isagi.
Unless it will start like it will
any star it
will start again.
They say train up a child in the way you should go. I want to pick her from the small age. I'm going to go train where it's not your business.
Mama the sugar mother. Sweet boy, we're not is a sugar boy. Get in there, mama. And where's
your problem? Every business what is your problem?
Business of spoiling small children. I will continue to spoil it for you until you get into your brain, begin to reason like a child. Wasted 9 months. That's my
this.
Oh yeah, get back.
This is just an old
man.
You don't know.
Come. You never go start. Start up your life.
You envy me.
Why would I envy you?
You envy me. Look. You draw sexy or things ready. You draw sharp or things ready.
Sexy lazy man.
You look my tattoo, lay my 6 pack. You envy me.
Yeah, worry, I got taboo very soon. It's Igracia Tantum. It's in a Tantum. Drawing Tantum. Who has it? Has Tattoo put money in your account? The only thing that can place you where you belong is hard working. This time around, you're supposed to be at work. You know I work. I'm off today. Today is Saturday. I am off. That is the reason you see me.
What I am doing is not my business. I am using my own body to make my own money. Yes. On your chineke where goes can jack ego.
Use your body.
Yes. I don't come jack ego. Am I the one that made you an old man?
It's in Tantaga ego.
On Tantama.
Mana, your family are in darkness. My friend, grow up. You see all these things. In fact, I have become a monitoring demon to you. Anywhere you go, I have become MCN to you. Anywhere you go, I follow you.
Okay.
Until you change and give your life to Christ. Begin to reason like a human being. People like you are dangerous equation. Dangerous. The parents are there aware of it.
It's not your business.
Are you thinking of the implication of what you want to do?
She says she wants to be a star. That's what I'm into.
And where's the star? Iga may a star.
Star again with business.
Star
again with business. You envy me. I've done you envy me.
Okay, go.
Old man.
Go and be useful.
Old man, you envy me.
Start reasoning like a young boy.
Happening where the kind of body where you will not be saying all these things. Old man.
Bodyguard. You want a body odor. You have body odor. Why would I envy body odor? Let she got bogey. What can I do? As you pass, the other time you came to the hotel, but I'm here. I'm 2 weeks before Moton. Your body is the temple of the Holy Spirit. And you should allow God to use you. A young boy, at this your youthful age, this is the only time you're supposed to hustle to become something in life. And not lazying around. Tomorrow night you blame government. There are so many manual jobs you can involve yourself into. For me to accept doing security, opening gates and closing, because I don't want to be lazy. You know, in fact, what I am now is on your committer to you. I got you. Nonsense.